Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to make a bed as it can be quite useful to own. But before we start, I'd really appreciate it if you could support me by pressing the subscribe button at the end of this video. Now to make a bed you need to do it in a furniture workshop which is at level 4. Now we can find the workshop by going into the city screen and selecting furniture workshop from here and then select here and choose level 4. This shows us all the workshops that can be upgraded to level 4. Now, because I've invested in quite a few houses in Calvian, I can invest directly here into a furniture workshop. In some cases, you will need to invest in a few houses before you can get to the furniture workshop. But the furniture workshop itself would cost 5 contribution points. Now, let's do that. And then we need to wait a few minutes before I need to upgrade it to level 4 because we need the level 4 workshop to make the bed. So now we have a level 4 workshop and let's look at the materials we need to make a Calvium handcrafted bed. Now what's required is sturdy birch plywood, usable scantling, brass ingot and black stone powder. Now to get sturdy birch plywood you need to start by gathering birch timber, which you then need to process into birch planks by chopping them and then again into birch plywood, which you then heat with the plywood hardener to get a sturdy birch plywood. Now for the usable scantling, you simply need to chop logs, which you need to gather yourself. For the brass ingot, you need to heat copper and zinc ore into melted copper and zinc shards, which you then heat together to make brass ingots. And finally, we need blackstone powder, which you can either just buy from the marketplace or get by grinding magic crystals, which is usually the easiest way to get it. So when you have the required materials, we simply press here manage crafting, scroll down to the bed, and you see when we have all that's needed, it's highlighted in green. Press here, select a worker, that's just this one. It will take me 16 minutes to make it, and then press here start the work. Now I just need to wait for 16.5 minutes and then I will have my very own Calvion handcrafted bed. So that's it. Now you should know how to make a bed. But if you have any questions then please put them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And thanks for watching.